Hi, this is Elizabeth from WTI, and if you're looking for some new sandals that are comfortable and cute, check these ones out from CUSHIONAIRE. I have found these extremely comfortable. As you can see, it has the extra padding here for your heel, and the way that your foot fits right in it, it's always secure and it feels comfortable and it feels good. As you can tell, my sandals have some wear and tear to it, but that's because I've had these for 2 summers. This is going to be my 3rd summer, and they've been able to hold up and still be functional. And that's really important when you want to be able to buy shoes and invest in shoes that you can wear for more than just one season. And I love the chocolate brown. That way I don't get tired of it. It kind of goes with everything. And it always looks really nice. So whether I'm wearing it with shorts or with pants, spring, summer, fall, they look a little bit nicer than just having flip-flops. They're still casual. One of the things I do appreciate is here the belt buckles to them. So that way you can actually adjust these. If your foot is a little bit wider or a little bit smaller and you like it to be, maybe you like it tight on your foot because you want it to feel secure and you don't want your shoe to fly off, then make it tighter. If you're like, that is too tight, loosen it up. And so I like that you can almost like customize it to your specific size shoe. Cushion and comfort are 2 of the most important things when wearing shoes. Sandals are great. They let your toes breathe. They look really cute. And they go with everything. They really are one of the perfect shoes for any warm weather. And that's my point of view.